Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. This is Sajid Islam, Assistant Professor, Department of English from Milestone College, inviting you all to our today's lesson on Nelson Mandela from Apartheid fighter to president. The Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Dhaka Ministry of Education, has adjudged this college as one of the best educational institutes of Dhaka Board in 2008. In 2019, a total of 2,211 students took part in the HSC examination. The pass rate was 100%, and a total 853 students achieved GPA 5. The college achieved 10th place in HSC in 2009 and 7th place in 2014. This year, a total of 1,381 students took part in SSC examination from this college, and success rate is 100%. While 935 students got GPA 5. On the other hand, Milestone College achieved 5th place in SSC in 2009, 10th place in 2013, and 4th place in 2014. So my dear students, we all hope that you will add glories to these existing brilliant results with your brilliant performance. So learn and lead. COVID-19 is a highly contagious disease. We all need to follow recommended health and hygiene rules to protect ourselves. So wash your hands regularly with soap for 20 seconds, use hand sanitizers, use hand gloves when necessary, and maintain social distancing. In our previous lesson, we have read the story or text about Nelson Mandela. Let me just remind you a few lines from Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was one of the greatest leaders in the world. He didn't feel hesitant to sacrifice his life to establish the truth. Nelson Mandela established a multiracial democracy in South Africa. For this, he had to lead his nation, and he succeeded in his mission to break the shackles of apartheid. He is an icon of peace and reconciliation. Actually, he embodied the struggle for justice around the world. He is an icon of peace and reconciliation. He had to suffer imprisonment for nearly 3 decades. He fought against the white minority rule, bringing down apartheid and bringing down people's emancipation was his goal. He won the support of the world. He resolved to fight for people's emancipation until the end of his days. He shared the Nobel Prize with the white African leader F.W. de Klerk for his negotiation in the process for giving the Black freedom. He is one of the world's most revered public figures. Mandela fought for freedom of all oppressed people all over the world. He fought against both white and Black domination. The ideal of a democratic and free society was his ideal. Today, we will discuss about multiple choice questions and short questions. So I'll give you some guidelines for answering multiple choice questions here. Number 1, A. answer to the question number 1 fully. Some of you write answer, then dot. To the question, you write only Q, then dot. Number 1, that this way. So you need to write answer to the question number 1 fully, the way it is written on the screen. Okay. Next, read the passage thoroughly. You need to read the passage again and again. Do not copy the question. Some of you just copy the question. No, don't copy the question. We write only the answers. Read all the options. Choose or select the closest answer. There will be 4 answers. You need to find the closest answer. Sometimes you'll find that it is of the similar meaning, but you need to find the closest answers. Be careful about parts of speech. If the given words is in noun form, the answer will be in noun form as well. If it is in adjective form, then the answer will be in adjective form as well. Follow the question pattern while giving the question numbers. This is very important. Okay, go to the next slide. Let's see some of the examples of multiple choice questions. Number 1A, each of the following questions has a word with 4 alternative meanings. Choose the word which is close in meaning in the context of the text. My dear students, here you will get 5 questions, 5 multiple choice questions, and there will be 4 options for each question. You need to choose one. You'll write only the answer. Don't copy the question. Okay? So what does apartheid in the title refer to? Apart, distance, discrimination, or dialogue? You see, apartheid, what is the meaning of apartheid? It is racial discrimination. So this word goes with this. And you remember, if it is in noun form, we'll also choose the answer, which one is in noun form. So discrimination, we can take the answer for apartheid. Okay, apartheid. So we'll write the answer will be number 1, C. The word icon in the text means portrait, image, symbol, idol. All of these are similar. It seems that this image will be the correct answer, symbol will be the correct answer, idol will be the correct answer. But dear students, you need to remember that when we'll be answering, we'll have to choose the closest meaning. So in this line, symbol will be the correct answer for this line. The word icon means symbol. Race discrimination refers to differences on the basis of caste, creed, and color. Number B, competition among the members of a race. Number C, demoralization of people. Number D, domination of others. So which one you think will be the correct answer? Race discrimination. So we have read that discrimination means disparity or differences. So number A, differences on the basis of caste, creed, and color. This will be the correct answer. The word manifestation means presentation. Number A. B, right. C, change. D, sign. Manifestation, in our previous lesson, we have learned the meaning of manifestation is representation or presentation. So number A, presentation, it is a noun, and manifestation is also a noun, so we can take this answer. Manifestation means presentation. Number 5, the word emancipation is participation. Number A, B, encouragement, C, expectation, D, liberation. And we also have read this word in our passage in our first lesson, in our previous class. So the word emancipation, it means, we know the meaning is liberation. So D will be the correct answer. And emancipation is a noun, and D is also a noun. Let's go to the next slide. You see, this is how you will be writing the answers with proper numbers. And also, you need to mention the words. You need to write the words. Answering short questions. First of all, you'll have to read the text thoroughly. You need to go through the text again and again to find out the answers. Follow the tense given in the questions. If the question is in present tense, then the answer will be in present tense. If it is in past tense, then you'll have to write the answer in past tense. Give your answers in 2 or 3 sentences. Give your answers in 2 or 3 sentences. Some of you have the tendency of writing in detail or elaborately. Just remember that you are told here to write briefly because it is short question answers. So be specific, be concise, and avoid unnecessary details. Do not copy the text. Write answers in your own words. Copying text will not give you good marks. Sometimes questions are made on idea or information which is not direct or elaborately mentioned, directly or elaborately mentioned in the passage. In that case, you need to be thoughtful and creative. Let's see some short question answers here. Number A, who was Nelson Mandela? What was he famous for? Nelson Mandela was the first Black president of South Africa. He was famous for breaking the shackles of apartheid and making South Africa a multiracial democratic country. So who was Nelson Mandela? So we are writing Nelson Mandela was. We are not right. We are writing was because the question is in past tense and the answer will be in past tense. What was he famous for? He was famous for breaking the shackles of apartheid and making South Africa a multiracial democratic country. What was Nelson Mandela determined to do? How did he win the support of the world? So this question is also in past tense, so we'll have to write in past tense. Nelson Mandela was determined to bring down apartheid while avoiding a civil war. He won the support of the world with his prestige and charisma. You see, these are very short answers. Why was Mandela awarded the Nobel Peace Prize? Mandela was awarded the prestigious Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 for leading the movement for the freedom of South African people in a peaceful way. Who was F.W. de Klerk? What do you know about him from the passage? F.W. de Klerk was the white African leader. He had freed Mandela from prison 3 years earlier and negotiated the end of apartheid. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize jointly with Nelson Mandela. If you don't read the text thoroughly, you will not find these answers. So to give these answers, you need to go through the text again and again. Mandela is quoted in the report as saying, "It is an ideal I hope to live for and to achieve, but if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die." What ideal is he talking about? Do you support his ideal? Answer. The ideal he's talking about is to establish a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. Yes, I also support it. So, my dear students, this is how you are going to write the answers of the short questions. Thank you very much for attending today's class. If you have any problem in understanding how to answer MCQ or multiple choice questions and short questions, please don't hesitate to contact with your subject teacher so that she or he can make you understand it clearly. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.